Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay March 13, 2024 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong March 13, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, March 13, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for March 13, 2024 Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 11.5 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 129 million pesos for Wednesday, March 13, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of March 13, 2024 Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.